The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a flash flood warning for western Lafayette County in northwestern Mississippi, southeastern Panola County in northwestern Mississippi, northeastern Tallahatchie County in northwestern Mississippi, northwestern Yalobusha County in northwestern Mississippi, until 12:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Oxford, Batesville, Water Valley, George Payne State Park, Holly Springs National Forest, Pope, Burgess, Springdale, Enid, Oakland, Cortland, Abil, Taylor, Shuford, Eureka Springs, College Hill and College Hill Station. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.